here today to ensure that our government realises that we will not stand by and let rural Ireland be destroyed by a pylon blight and a wind turbine blight. And what we want today is that we want our energy policy reviewed.
We don't need all the wind farms, we don't need all the pylons. We have an alternative. Change Moneypoint into a biomass generation station. That's just one alternative. There are other alternatives as well. The government needs to wake up, they need to listen to us.
All our water supply is from water wells, and if wind turbines go up, there's a threat to our water supply.
We have no problem with green energy, but the distance they want to put these industrial scale units from people's houses is far too close, and this is our main objection.
We came out to stop the lunacy of pylons and wind farms. We are only using 3/4 of the energy that we generate at the moment.
We're objecting against them for health reasons, for landscape reasons. There's a huge amount of reasons why we're objecting against them.
Impact on property prices, which has not been taken into consideration, and the impact on for farmers as well, for the price of land.
The requirements that were there in the 2006 in the boom times are no longer required, and that needs to be realised.
They haven't discussed anything with us, the government. It's just like turbines, nothing else. They have to come back. We have to have consultation. That's all we're asking, consultation.
Run!